Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new cleaning video. Today's video is a Friday freshen up. I have a few things on my to-do list and you'll see that my house is a little bit messy, but I am going to take you with me. I am not going to be doing a voiceover for today's video. I'm going to pop on some really good motivating cleaning music. So if these are the type of videos that you like to watch, then this is definitely one of those videos for you. But if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live here in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful children. And here on my channel I film cleaning videos, 1 to motivate me and 2 motivate you as well. You can also follow me along on Instagram where I share our day-to-day life and a lot of our renovations. As you'll see in this video, if you are new here, we still have a lot of projects on the go, but I hope this video gives you the motivation that you are looking for today. And if you do enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up, and again I would love for you to consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. So I'm not going to chat, I am going to pop some music on and I hope you enjoy.
never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. So take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights.
Once again, your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again, you tell the same old story. Yeah, it's all on me. Should have stopped with all the doubts, but I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. And I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I'm taking enough. Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know well, that I lost somewhere along the line. You let me fall from grace into a black cell, but now I'm breaking free to breathe alive. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. And I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I'm taking enough. Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And
a statue, staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. Yeah. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while? No, no. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. And I'm going I try not to fall for make-believe, but this is something else. I better be careful. You're beautiful, and I'm going down again. Hey, 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 hey. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did.
Thanks so much for watching, lovelies. I hope this video gave you the motivation that you were looking for today. And if you are after more cleaning motivation, I am going to pop a playlist up on the screen now with hours more of cleaning motivation. But I really appreciate you clicking on today's video and watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I hope you have a fabulous week, and I will see you next time. Bye!